Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. As you can see from the title, I'm going to be reviewing this Real Techniques brush cleansing gel. I actually purchased this from Superdrug last week if you saw my video. If not, I can leave a link above here if you want to catch up on that one. So yeah, I wanted to review this. My brushes are very much in need of a clean. I generally just use soap and water, but I obviously wanted to try and take care of them a little bit more now that I've spent a little bit more money on more expensive brushes. I actually got some Real Technique ones, and they're a little bit more, they're not expensive, but they're a little bit more costly than your bog standard ones. So I wanted to look after them properly, so I thought I'd purchase this. This was $6.99, and I think it's pretty worth it. I think you'll get quite a lot of uses out of it, but I just want to see how well it does. So if you're interested in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell number and keep on watching. Right, so we've got the gel and we've got this lovely little cleaning brush cleaning plastic gizmo thing that's going to get all the in between all the bristles. You can get this from Primark, which is about £1. You can actually put it in your hand as well, which is really handy. So I've got a handful of brushes that I need to clean, and I'm going to pop them in this pot afterwards. So we're going to get our lovely solution. I'm going to get the water running. I'm going to put the cold water on for now. A little bit of hot. Let's get the water running. And what I might do is I'm going to put a little bit of the gel onto the pad. Some of our gel. Quite a bit of gel there. My first brush, I'm going to just give it a bit of a wash and start. You can see straight away that it's brown. This is generally like a blusher brush that I use. Oh my lord, look at the colour of the water already. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!